All right, let's look at how to find a 5-number summary. We're using our travel data, so this is commute times for people in New York. And our 5-number summary includes the min, the first quartile, the median, Q3, and the max. So we'll start by finding the max. That command is equals max. Open a parentheses and highlight your data. For the quartile, this is equals Q-U-A-R-T-I-L-E. Open a parentheses. Now this one takes 2 parts. So we start by highlighting our data, and then we're going to put a comma, and then it wants to know which quartile do we want. Well, we want the third one, so we'll put a number 3 for the third one. And you can see that's reflected right here in this line here. And we'll close our parentheses. And that gives us our 41.25 for the third quartile, or Q3. Our median is equals MEDIAN. Open a parentheses and highlight your data. And that gives us a median of 22.5 minutes. Our first quartile, so equals quartile. Open a parentheses. Now this is the one that takes the 2 parts. So we'll start by highlighting our data. It shows you that right down here. So it says array, which means highlight your data. And then we put a comma in. And then it asks for the quartile. So we want the first one this time. So it puts the number 1 there. We close our parentheses, and our first quartile is 15 minutes. And then to get the minimum, we'll do equals the min, open a parentheses, and highlight our data. And that gives us 5 as the min. Now to get the range, if we've already found the max and min, you can do equals. You can click on the box that has the max, so 85, and put a minus sign. And we'll click on the box with the min, which is the 5, and then we'll say enter. So our range here is 80.